Hey lovelies, welcome and welcome back to the channel. How is everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing great. Thank you for taking the time coming back to the channel to watch yet another video. You know, it's Saturday, so you know we have another recipe coming out. As you can see, we're outside again in the bakery shack doing some cook up. So if you hear any noises, I apologize for the noise because you know it's outside, that's outside cooking for you. But nonetheless, if you want to see how I make my macaroni cheese in the oven, keep watching. I have water in my pot. I'm going to add some salt. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of Favora. Put it in the water when it's cold so it can dissolve. Otherwise, if you put it in the water when it's hot, it's going to just clunk up. Season your water, guys. Season your water so you can give your macaroni flavor. You're going to let this come to a boil, and when the water comes to a boil, you're going to add a macaroni into it. And we're going to cook that for 12 minutes. See you back when the water starts to boil. I'm going to put my lid on. Keep my heat in so my water will boil fast. When your macaroni finish cooking, you know, because it's going to be plump like this. Don't let them cook too long because they're going to be too soft and mushy. 12 minutes. I'm going to throw these out in a strainer and I'm going to run cold water to stop the cooking process. We're going to start to make the sauce now for the macaroni, the cheese sauce. I'm using 500 ml of heavy cream. Depends on the amount of macaroni you're making. You use more, you use less. The more cream you use, it's going to be creamier. I have about half a cup of milk. I'm going to add most in, but I'm going to save a little bit because I'm going to add my cornstarch in that. So that's about a teaspoon of cornstarch. I've put the cornstarch in. I'm going to mix that. This is cold, not hot, cold. I'm going to put this aside and I'm going to save this for when I heat the sauce to thicken it. I have a small cream cheese. It's about 200 grams. I'm going to put all that in. Make sure it don't plop out. It'll be all over your face. Some chili flakes, just a little tad. Chili flakes. Garlic powder. Mistress Dash. Lemon pepper. Garlic and herbs. A little bit of sweet chili sauce. Just a little bit. That's maybe about a teaspoon. I'm going to add my cheese. I'm using 2 different types of cheese. I'll put in as much as can hold in the pot now, and then when I start to stir it and it starts to melt in, I will add the rest cheese. We're going to put this on the stove, start melting the cheese down. Keep stirring, low fire. That's why I don't have the pot to the middle of the fire. I have it on the end. It'll cook slow. Because if you cook too fast, too high, it's going to burn in the bottom. You're just going to keep stirring it, cooking it down until all the cheese is dissolved. I'm gonna crack a little bit of black pepper. And a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper. See, now I can feel the cream, and I know I don't have enough cheese. So here's where I'm gonna add all the rest of my cheese. I just needed some space to add the rest. And just keep stirring this until all this is dissolved. Once you've added the cornstarch with the remaining milk, continue cook for about 2-3 minutes, then remove the sauce from the heat. This is the consistency that you're looking for. See? Smooth, no strings. That's what you're looking for. All right, sauce is ready. I have an oven dish. I have buttered it. Now I'm going to do layers. So I'm going to add some macaroni in first. A little bit more. Spread it out. Now I have some green onions. Slide them over. Yes. I'm gonna stir my sauce up a little bit. I'm gonna pour this over. Add a little bit more. Stir your sauce up again. Another layer of sauce. Make sure every part of the macaroni is covered with the sauce. This goes into a preheated oven of 180 degrees for about 40 to 45 minutes. Keep checking it. If the top is getting too brown, put some foil over and let the macaroni finish cooking with the sauce until 40-45 minutes. Yes, peeps. Check out the macaroni cheese. It smells so good. It looks pretty, eh? Wait till you cut into this. You're going to see how nice the macaroni is in there. The Bakery Shack smelling so good. I'm telling you. Somebody needs to really invent smell-o-vision. Okay, that was it for today, my friends. We made macaroni cheese together. I wish you a very tasty meal. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, bye.